Hey everyone, welcome to part 15. In the previous one, I designed the floor plan of this room and the wardrobes. In this one, I'm going to style it completely. This is a slightly long video in terms of everything that I do for this bedroom, so can maybe slow down the speed a little bit in case if you want to follow step by step. In this part, I'll be going through a lot of trial and error to achieve the final look, so watch along and you guys will see that even the best of the best designs take a lot of changes, a lot of planning, and eventually reach the final one. Let me know what you guys think about this series, and thank you for all the support that everybody has given. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with somebody who might just need this. It took me a while and a lot of color selection to get this green right and to figure out what I want to do with this wall, whether if I want to go with arch, do I want to go with edges or rounded edges. I made a lot of designs, but finally I thought I'll show you how this one looks like and what the other one looks like, the final one that I came across with. I've also uploaded a video of how you can make an arch on your walls with custom wallpaper designs and everything, so check that out in the description. I saw this render, I really didn't like it, so that's why I went ahead and changed it. Let me know what were you thinking about this when you saw me make it. I personally didn't like the way it turned out, so I went and made another one. Here's me adjusting the lights a little bit to see how it looks in different lighting, but the final end I wasn't really happy, so I changed it. Here I try making the rounded arch. This is something that I finally settled with in the end. It also went well with the rounded mirror that I was looking for. This is something that I had planned right from the start, that this room should have a rounded mirror. It went well with the arch and a dressing table. Let me know if you guys think that this was a better option or the previous one in the comments. Bed, I tried to get a similar one that the client already has. They didn't want to spend too much. So remember that this is also a budget build. I will be revealing all the final build and expenses at the end of this series. So this is how the room looks. Let's see how it looks in the renders. I think it turned out to be really nice. I love the wallpaper, the arch and the dressing table finish, the ceiling lights also. I hope the client really likes it. I know he's a friend of mine, but he's going to live in it forever. So let me know what you guys think. See you guys in the next one.